Good morning, everyone. This morning's message is for who it is for. Now, on your screen, it reads, and I quote, "Be that one today," end quote. One smile can begin a friendship, one word can end a fight. One hand can lift a soul, one candle can wipe out darkness. One laugh can conquer gloom, one hope can raise your spirits. One touch can show you care, one life can make a difference. Be that one today. You see, my friends, the power of a single action, a simple gesture can ripple outward, transforming lives and creating a world of light. One smile, a beacon of warmth, can ignite a friendship, bridging the gap between hearts. A single word spoken with kindness can mend a broken bond, bringing peace to a troubled soul. A helping hand extended with compassion can lift a spirit, offering solace and strength in times of need. Like a candle dispelling darkness, a single laugh can conquer gloom, filling the air with joy and hope. One touch, a gentle expression of care, can speak volumes, reminding someone of their worth and of the love that surrounds them. So, in closing, my friends, we are all capable of making a difference, of being that one spark that ignites a chain reaction of positivity. So, let us choose to be that one today, to spread kindness, to offer hope, and to make the world a brighter place. One act of love at a time. Yeah, man, a word to the wise.